Corey Lottery Man is a channel that's dedicated to all United States lottery. A lottery channel dedicated to buy my 1-2-3 system for lots of people to learn the strategy of winning pick 3 and pick 4 lottery. And understanding too how to get the sum of the lottery pick 3 and 4. With the sum, with my sum is about generating 14 numbers, and you pick the number that adds up to about 14. 3. The number generator is a machine that picks the numbers for you randomly. So that's what the 3 things what my station stands for. Thank you, and thank you.